Welcome to the presentation Conceptual Graph. Conceptual graph is a method for knowledge representation. They are the basic building blocks of associative networks. Conceptual graphs are semantic net representing the meaning of a sentence in natural language. There are two types of nodes in conceptual graph. One is concept node and second one is relation node. There are two types of concept nodes are there. One is individual concept and second one is generic concept. Examples for individual concept are Jaws, burger, India, etc. And examples for generic concept are country, person, food, etc. The concept nodes are represented in a square box and the relation nodes are represented with circle or oval. A relation node shows the concepts are interconnected or how the concepts are interconnected. The relation nodes are always binary, shows the binary relationship between the concepts. From the diagram we can see it's an example for concept graph. Here someone goes to New York. So who is going? John is going to the New York. And how? By bus. Where? To New York. So this is an example for conceptual. Here is another example. Mary gave John the book. This graph uses conceptual relations to represent the case of a verb to give and indicates a way in which conceptual graphs are used to model the semantic of natural language. So the concepts are Mary, that's a person, John again is a person, and object, that's a book. So the relationship that gives between the person Mary and give is agent, and give and book is object. Between give and another person John is recipient. So this graph shows Mary gave John the book. The languages of conceptual graph and syntax that is used for conceptual graphs are, one is the question mark. It's a query about the concept where placed is referred field. So for example, the house question mark which means which house. The second type of syntax is used exclamation mark for emphasis to draw attention to a concept. Then third one is asterisk variables or unspecified objects which is used to denote some or a or something of a object. For example, house star means it means some house or a house. Then pound defines article known to the speaker. For example, house pound 345 means it's a specific house or house number for that particular house. At the rate relate to a quantification. So house at the rate n means n houses. So these are the basic languages or syntax for a conceptual graph. Next is the inference that we are getting. Generalizing and specializing graphs operations to create a new graph from existing graph is the basic meaning of inference in conceptual graph. Either it generalizes or specializes the graph in order to generate or create a new graph. That's the basic meaning for inference rule in conceptual graph. So the basic inference rules are, first one is copy. Produce a duplicate copy of the concept graph. Second one is restrict. Modifies a graph by replacing a type label of a concept with a subtype or a specialization from generic to individual. Join. It combines two identical graphs C1 and C2 by attaching all relation arcs from C2 to C1 and then erasing C2. The last one is simplify. It eliminates one or two identical relationships in a conceptual graph when all connecting arcs are also the same. Thank you.